Watch 1 video, earn $22. Watch 5, earn $110. Watch 10, earn $220, and potentially over $1,900. This app is free and available worldwide. Start by heading to YouTube and selecting the Shorts section. You can apply this method on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. If TikTok isn't available, use a free VPN extension for Chrome to access it. This technique works on both PC and mobile devices, so let me know in the comments which device you use most, and I'll tailor future videos accordingly. Step 2. After logging into TikTok, go to the Explore page and focus on one niche. For best results, stick with one topic rather than jumping between multiple niches. We'll focus on the spirituality niche, which is highly profitable across all platforms. This niche has high engagement rates, and big creators in the spirituality space have built large followings, leading to higher earnings potential. By focusing on one niche, you can target a more specific audience and improve your chances of making sales. Step 3. Visit clickbank.com, create an account, and log in to the affiliate marketplace. If ClickBank isn't available in your country, try Digistore24. Once logged in, select the spirituality category to view the top offers. One of the highest converting products in this niche is Moon Reading, which offers $21 per sale, plus recurring billing, meaning you can earn $22 every time a customer renews their subscription. This is a great way to build a long-term income stream. To promote, copy your affiliate link and paste it into your bio on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram. Create engaging videos encouraging viewers to click the link in your bio for more information. If just 5 people buy from your affiliate link daily, you could earn $110 per day. In just 18 to 20 days, you could easily make over $1,900. With the right video content and a steady stream of viewers, you could potentially scale this to make even more. You can create your videos for free by watching other videos in the spirituality niche, taking notes, and rewriting the script in your own words. Use 11 Labs to generate a free voiceover and edit your video with CapCut, which works on both mobile and PC. You can also find free stock footage on sites like Pixabay and Pexels. Don't forget to add a catchy caption, a call to action, and relevant hashtags to increase engagement and visibility. For best results, aim to create 10 to 15 videos to increase your chances of conversions and sales. If you want to fast-track your efforts, you can also use viral e-com ads. They offer professional quality video ads for platforms like TikTok and YouTube, with packages starting at just $12.50 for VIP members. VIP membership gives you additional perks like 75% off video ads, 24-hour delivery, and priority support. This can help you scale quickly, especially when you're ready to invest in high-quality marketing. By following this strategy, you can earn significant commissions from TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. Stick to the plan, and in just a few weeks, you could be earning over $1,900 promoting ClickBank products. Start by watching videos, picking your niche, selecting a product, and begin earning. Stay consistent with your content creation, focus on building your audience, and experiment with different video formats. The key to success is persistence. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you want more tips and updates on how to make money online.